Tesla has made headlines once more with the launch of a new product, a house that is significantly cheaper than their Model 3 sedan. The CEO Elon Musk has revealed the 2.0 version of Tesla's sustainable living tiny house, priced at only $15,000. It's hard to believe, but it's true. Many are curious about the quality of this new home and how it compares to the high standards set by Tesla cars. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Tesla's tiny house that has generated a lot of buzz in the market, the features and benefits of this new product, and what it means for the future of sustainable living. So, let's get started. Elon Musk, the CEO of both Tesla and SpaceX, has achieved a significant milestone in the field of sustainable living by becoming the first billionaire to pioneer an incredibly affordable and accessible home. This accomplishment, however, raises questions about how this fits in with the image typically associated with billionaires like Elon Musk. Despite the skepticism, Musk's commitment to making sustainable living accessible to all is a significant step forward in the fight against climate change. Elon Musk is truly a unique individual, constantly pushing the boundaries and leaving people wondering what he will come up with next. Tesla fans have been eagerly speculating about the company's next big project, and true to form, Elon's basket has never been empty. With a successful track record of bringing electric vehicles to the public, many are curious about what Tesla's next major product will be. Back in 2013, Tesla made waves by selling 3,100 of their Roadster vehicles, which had a starting cost of $109,000. Since then, the company has been hard at work creating their new Model S vehicle on a production line in San Francisco. However, Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, is now considering the possibility of pausing the production of electric vehicles to focus on a newly favored project. Elon Musk's latest venture involves the construction of modest and affordable homes, which could potentially revolutionize the housing and real estate industry. While this may seem like a far-fetched idea, it's worth noting that in March 2014, Tesla acquired SolarCity for a whopping $2.6 billion. And just a month later, the company revealed their new sun-based energy product, the Powerwall. With these developments in mind, it's clear that Musk has invested in solar energy. The question is, what does he have planned for all these solar panels? There is a telling clue about Elon Musk's interest in clean energy and affordable living. Musk has taken steps to ensure that his own residence is powered entirely by clean energy, which is an unexpected move from a tycoon of his stature. In fact, on Twitter, Musk confirmed that he had moved to a modest $50,000 property in Boca Chica, Texas. In an effort to downsize his life, Musk went on to sell all 7 of his California homes between June 2020 and November 2021. Elon Musk made a staggering profit of approximately $25 million from the sale of his 7 California properties, which totaled around $128 million, according to Business Insider reports. However, his decluttering efforts came to a close with the sale of his 47-acre Silicon Valley Gwen Court estate for $30 million. This magnificent 16,000-square-foot property in Hillsborough, California, featured 7 bedrooms, 7 baths, a grand ballroom, and a fancy cocktail bar with retractable library shelves. It's hard to imagine why Musk would give up such an impressive estate for a tiny boxable casita, but the Tesla boss seems to have no regrets. The tiny box house now serves as Musk's primary residence, proving that even billionaires can embrace the tiny house movement and eschew mega mansions. The Casita Galano, a modular home, is the star product of a Los Angeles-based startup company called Boxable. Tarami, the head of business development at Boxable, revealed that the company spent several years on research and development to engineer a groundbreaking solution for building high-quality, affordable housing rapidly. The Tesla CEO seems to be very pleased with their work, and the company has already built 2 of these houses in the Starbase area near the Tesla headquarters. Although it's small and inexpensive, the Casita Galano is not cheap in terms of quality. The units are made from steel, concrete, and EPS foam building materials that are top grade and will last a lifetime. The Casita Galano by Boxable is not only affordable and sturdy, but it's also eco-friendly. The materials used in the construction of the house are environmentally safe, making it a sustainable option for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. The magnesium oxide wallboard used for fire protection and mold resistance is a testament to the company's commitment to safety and quality. Additionally, the laminated panels used for the wall, floors, and roof provide excellent sound insulation to make the house capable of withstanding harsh weather conditions such as hurricanes. This makes the Casita Galano a unique and practical housing solution, unlike any other prefabricated homes on the market. One of the most impressive features of the Casita Galano is its portability. When folded down, the home can be transported on a truck or towed by a pickup truck to any location. In just an hour, it can be unfolded into 375 square feet of comfortable living space. Despite its modest size, the home is stylish and cozy. The living area is designed like a studio apartment with a full-size shaker-style kitchen, including a large fridge, dishwasher, oven, microwave, and modern breakfast bar. The unit is wired and plumbed and comes ready to accept any energy source of the buyer's choosing, including solar power. There is simple storage space hidden behind the modern sliding glass barn doors, and the 8-foot windows and 9.6-foot ceilings create a bright and airy feel. The home also features heating and air conditioning, LED lights, and an open floor plan that includes a bedroom, bathroom, living room, and dining area. The casita, designed for 100% clean energy use, features composite flooring with wide planks, a washer and dryer, and all the modern appliances that come with integrated USB ports and power outlets. Its ironing center and other convenient features make it a comfortable living space. The apartments are built to be exceptionally energy efficient, with a smaller air conditioning system than most homes. The casita is just the first of many products to come, according to Terami, as the company plans to launch more room modules that can stack and combine to build any customized building. Its innovative design and use of high-quality materials make it a stylish, cozy, and practical living space, perfect for those who value both sustainability and comfort. Additionally, there are rumors that Boxable has built a fully equipped casita that could be used on Mars, rumored to be a gift to SpaceX CEO Elon Musk. This holds particular significance for Musk, as he aims to explore and potentially establish a civilization on the Red Planet. The question of how people will live on Mars and whether materials such as concrete and mortar can be transported there arises. However, this seems impossible as the cost and practicality of transporting such materials all the way to Mars are simply unfeasible. As Tesla continues to innovate in the vehicle industry, Elon Musk has turned his attention toward affordable housing. In line with his current lifestyle, the Tesla CEO plans to build a low-cost house, with the model for his new home recently unveiled in California. The proposed cost for the house is a mere $15,000, aligning with Musk's vision for sustainable and affordable housing. Tesla is applying its creativity to this new venture, transferring the skills honed in the vehicle industry to develop these sustainable housing projects. But Musk's ambitions don't stop there. He's pushing the boundaries and aiming to take it as far as possible. As Tesla's yearly investors gathering is underway, there's no telling what innovative project he might unveil next. Elon Musk recently hinted that Tesla has been working on something big in the sustainable housing industry and plans to officially unveil it soon. As Musk's celebrity status grows, so does the demand for living like him, no matter the cost. However, he believes that sustainable housing should be accessible to all. Tesla's new housing project, projected to cost just $15,000, is aimed at making sustainable housing affordable for everyone. Tesla's new homes will range from 250 square feet to 1,500 square feet and will come equipped with Tesla's solar-powered chargers, allowing homeowners to be completely energy independent. Tesla plans to create over 50,000 homes each year in a new production line near Reno, Nevada. With Musk's vision for affordable and sustainable housing, it's likely that there will be a surge in customers once the product is unveiled. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about Tesla's sustainable housing projects and how they are revolutionizing the construction industry. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'll see you in the next video.